Okay, guys, topic we need to talk about today that we need to do some refining and do a little bit better on, I feel like, is our equipment inspections or the QR codes that you guys are filling out as you run equipment every day. The questions that come up on that are, did you grease the machine? Did you check the engine oil and the coolant level? Have you checked the air filter? Did you check the transmission and swing oil? And is all the safety equipment working? So things like the lights, the seat belts, the fire extinguishers, is everything in place and everything working the way that it should work? Another big one is we need to be checking our cutting edges and our teeth on our equipment, because if we wear through those and we get into the shanks or the mold boards on those, that can add up to be a $20,000 to $30,000 worth of damage that we can do those machines if we wear through those and wear back too far. Those need to be checked specifically to make sure that those haven't been worn back into that spot and we can get them replaced when they need to. The last two questions that come through on those QR codes are, is it safe to use, and any service needed? So is it safe to use? And if it's not, that will flag it where the mechanics will get out there and get the work done that needs to be done. And the last thing is there any service needed? That is where you can put in any additional stuff, or you can highlight the stuff that you, if the cutting edges are worn out, you can add that to it. So we get let known what needs to get done and what needs to get fixed on that equipment. There's also, in addition to that, there is the phone number for maintenance and equipment that you can send in here to the office that we can get on the equipment list on the spreadsheet so the mechanics know that equipment needs to get out there. These need to be being done every day, and if you're answering these questions, you need to make sure that if you're saying yes, you check these things, that yes, you did it. Because if you don't, then you're falsifying a document by saying that you did and you didn't do it. So no pencil whipping on this, and that's not acceptable. We just need to make sure that we're doing these and that they're being done on every piece of equipment, and that it's a way for you guys to make sure that you're not going to get blamed for the damages that somebody else has done to that equipment. If there's any other questions with this, get with me, let me know. I'll be glad to answer any questions. Me, Austin, anybody else will be glad to answer any questions you have with this. Thanks, and be safe.